teach you all about it.
Let's watch the video!
Do you know why is the great white shark is endangered? You're going to learn why in this video. Great White Sharks by Aaron and Woosen. What is the scariest fish? What has a lot of teeth? It is a shark. The great white shark lives in the ocean. The biggest great white shark is 23 feet long. Great white sharks get many things from their habitat. Great white sharks eat seals, sea lions, and dolphins. They drink salt water. Great white sharks live in coral reefs. These things come from their habitat. The adaptations that help great white sharks to survive are good smell and camouflage for hunting food. The gray water helps the shark to camouflage in its habitat. Great white sharks need their habitat to survive, but people are changing their habitat. This is how people are changing their habitat. They are polluting and overfishing. Overfishing is hurting them because they don't have enough to eat. Great white sharks are getting hunted. People are killing them to get their fins for soup and their jaws for souvenirs. This is how we can help. Recycle and stop polluting. Then the great white sharks will not be endangered. Stop eating fin soup and stop buying jaws. If you stop, then they will not be killed. The end.
Oh no, the tiger's in danger too. Let's watch to see how we can help. It's scary. It has sharp teeth. What is it? It's a tiger. Tigers live in the forest and mountain. Tigers can run fast and are powerful. They run up to 65 kilometers per hour. They live in rainforest or cold forest too. Forests give fresh water. Tigers need fresh water to survive. Forests also give tigers food. Tigers hunt deer and other animals.
Tigers have good body parts called adaptations. Tigers can survive with them. Tigers' ears are small, but they can hear well to get food. Tigers have thick fur to survive when the forest is cold. They have sharp teeth to hunt.
In the forest, many people are cutting down the trees. So, tigers have no homes. Hunters hunt the other animals, so the tigers don't have animals to eat. How do they live with no food? Hunters also want to kill the tigers. Why do the hunters want to kill them? Because people want to make coats with their fur. How can we save the tigers? Do not cut trees, because tigers lose their homes. And tigers cannot hunt because if there are no trees, tigers can hide to catch their prey.
Also, we can save the tigers by making sure people don't kill them. And we can plant new trees to save tigers' habitat.
Even cute little koalas are getting hurt. Watch our video to see how. What is sleep? What is gray? What is sleep 18 hours? It is a koala. Koalas live in eucalyptus forest in Australia. A newborn baby koala is the size of a jelly bean, and its habitat helps it to grow. Koala's habitat gives them food. They eat eucalyptus leaves. Did you know that koalas don't drink water? Koalas get water from the leaves that they eat. Koalas also live in eucalyptus trees. Koalas have good body parts to stay in their habitat. This is called adaptations. Koalas have strong arms to climb up his habitat to get food. Koalas also have thick fur to stay in its habitat when it is cold. How is their habitat changing? People are cutting their trees and koalas can get their food. And we are using many things from trees, even paper comes from trees. How are the koalas getting hurt? We are hunting them and cutting down the trees, and trees are koalas' habitat and food. How can we help? We can recycle things or stop cutting trees because that is their habitat and food. If we recycle paper, then we don't need to cut down trees. Save the koalas! Watch this video to see how are the killer whales getting endangered.
There was a big wave coming. The boat starts to shake. A big and white shape comes. It's a killer whale. Killer whales live in the Arctic Ocean habitat with their families for their whole life. What do killer whales eat?
Killer whales eat sea animals and fish. Killer whales find food from their habitat. How can killer whales live for a long time in their habitat?
Killer whales have thick skin so the water does not feel cold. Killer whales have blowholes to breathe above the water. Killer whales have big teeth to chomp and eat food. How is the habitat changing?
The ocean is getting dirty because lots of people are throwing garbage everywhere. And the garbage is going into the ocean. And ocean animals are dying and lots of people put chemicals into the ocean too. What else do we do to hurt the killer whales?
Some people are fishing for their food so the killer whales can't survive and the killer whales can't eat. How can we help the killer whales to survive?
Don't fish for too much food so the killer whales can eat. Also, don't make the ocean dirty so the killer whales survive. Save the killer whales!
has a hard shell? What has fast fins? It's a sea turtle. Sea turtles live in the ocean, and they are 8 feet long or 2.4 meters long. What does the habitat give to help the sea turtles survive? The sea turtles eat seagrass and seaweed. They find it in their habitat. How long do they breathe? When they are sleeping, they can stop breathing for an hour.
What are shells? Shells are to protect their body from predators in the ocean habitat, and they can put their heads in their shells, and they have more adaptations. A fin! Fins can help them swim fast.
How are the sea turtles getting endangered? They are getting endangered because people are throwing garbage in their habitat, and when they eat the garbage, it hurts them, and people are killing them for their shells.
How can we help? You should stop throwing garbage in the ocean and clean up the beach. If you stop throwing garbage in the ocean habitat, it will be fixed. And that's why sea turtles is getting endangered. You should not use plastic bags if you don't need plastic bags. You cannot throw it on the ground.
Panda's habitat is destroyed too. Watch the video to find out how.
What is cute? What has two colors? It is a panda. Pandas live in China in the bamboo forest. Pandas can weigh up to 250 pounds. The bamboo forest gives pandas food, air, water, and shelter. Pandas eat bamboo shoots. They live in bamboo trees. Pandas are adapted to living in their habitat. They have sharp teeth to help them eat bamboo shoots. They have black spots to help them blend in, and their fur keeps them warm in the snow. But they are endangered. Bamboo trees are being chopped down. We are cutting down their homes, and we are cutting their food. And we also hunt for their fur. Let's talk about helping pandas. We can make movies and we can make signs about how you can help pandas and how they're getting hurt. We hope that when people see the movie or sign, they might change their mind about cutting down the bamboo forest. The End by Chloe Joshua Nunn.